Hello everyone, you are welcome to this class. So in this class, we want to look at introductions to bearing, corrections to the quiz uh, to it. So we have about 5 questions there. So the first question says, express the true bearing of 125 degrees as a compass bearing. That is, we are converting 3-digit bearing. As you can see from the question, you notice that the the digit is 3. We have 3 digits there. All right. So we are converting it to compass bearing. So before you do this, so the first thing you need to do is to sketch 125 degrees. You have to sketch it. So you have to sketch it. So how do you sketch it? That is what we're going to do now. So let's sketch it first. So you draw your 4 cardinal points. All right. So in 3-digit bearing, don't forget that we always start from the North Pole and move clockwise. So from here, from the North Pole to this place is 90 degree. Then to the other side is 180. So in that case, we're going to say, there's no, this is 125 here. This is 125 degrees. All right. Now this line falls between south and the what east. This is the west. So that means your answer will be south east. So we now need to calculate. We are starting from south because in compass bearing, so that you start from the north or south, and you can move either clockwise or anti-clockwise. So in this case, this is anti-clockwise, so it's going back. You start from the north, from the south, moving towards the east. So what is this angle? That is what we want to look at now. So how do we calculate that? Since from here to here is 125, so and to the other side is 180, that's going to be 180 degrees minus 125 degrees. So this will give us 5. All right, and this is going to give us, this remains 7, so this is going to give us 5 again. So this is 0, so that will be going to be 55 what degrees. So that is south 55 degree. What is that? Option B, which is this one. I hope this is very clear. So move to the second question. So the second question says, which of the following bearing is equivalent to south 37 degree west? So in this one as well, so we are converting from compass bearing, that's what it means, to 3-digit bearing. So the same thing, we're going to sketch this as well. We sketch it. This is the north, this is south, this is west, and this is what east. So we look at where is 37 degree west. So this is southwest. So the line will fall here, and this is going to give us 37. So we are moving, starting from south, moving towards the what? The west. So now we want to convert it to 3-digit bearing now. So it means that we're going to measure from north and move clockwise to the line, to this line that we have here. So that's going, we're going to this place. So that's the angle that we want to measure. Now from here to here is 180. This is 180. All right. Then plus 37. That's going to be 180 degrees plus 37. This is 7. This is 1. That is 217 degrees. So this is this answer here, 217 degrees. I hope this is very clear. So the answer is option D. So that is that on that one. Then question 3. So we to question 3 now. For question 3, so we have the bearing of a point Y from point X is 6065 degree. What's the bearing of X from Y? Now, there is a shortcut to this. Without sketching it, you can get your answer. So what if you are given, this is what we call back bearing. You can see the bearing of a point Y from point X. That the starting point is X. Now, what's the bearing of X from Y? We are doing the opposite of it. So this is what we call back bearing. So in this case, so we now look at the first bearing given to us is less than 180 degrees. So one is less than 180 degrees. For you to get the answer, just say 180 plus degrees, 65 degrees. I'm going to get that done now. This is 5 and this is 4. That is 245. That is the answer. Now let's sketch this and see how it's going to look like. Now in sketching this, so what we're going to do, let's sketch, have it 65 degrees. This is from X. This is X. This is not. So from here to this way, this is 65 degrees to Y. This is Y. How is me now? So this is 65 degrees. Now I want to measure X from Y. This was starting from Y again now. So that means we are going to measure this angle here to this place. So that is X from Y. So from here to here is what? 180. So it remains this angle. So this angle here is alternate to this one. This alternate angle, as you can see, this alternate angle. So that is 065 plus 180, which is what we did now. That is 245. That's option B. Option B, which is this. I hope this is very clear. I hope. All right. So we'll move to the next question now. So the next question, number 4. So question number 4 now. So what we have there. So if the bearing of Lagos from Abuja is 19.9 degree, what was the bearing of Abuja from Lagos? This is just the same thing that just concluded now. So what is the bearing of Lagos from Abuja? So you can see what we have there is less than 180 degrees. So what you're going to do is just 180 without stressing yourself plus 19.9. So this is 9, this is 0.0, this is 9, 9. That is going to be 199.9 degrees. So which is option A. That one is straightforward. So there is no need to stress ourselves much on that. So move to the next one, which is all right for question number 5 now. So the question says, work out the 3-figure bearing of the arrow line in the figure below. So this one is drawn for you. So you are now changing it to 3-figure bearing. So that means we are looking for this. You know, we are starting from the north and then we move clockwise to the arrow line. So from here, from the north to this place is 270. All right. Then we add 32 to it. That will be 270 plus 32 degrees. This will give us 210. That is 302 degrees, which is option A, which is option A here. So I hope this is very clear. So that is down on this video. So we are going to meet in the next video. Bye for now.